Welcome to TOEFL Speaking. Task 1. Listen and repeat. Then Task 2. Take an interview.
You are learning how to introduce students to a campus honors program center. Listen to the speaker and repeat what they say. Repeat only once. Welcome to the Honors Center. Our bulletin board has important program announcements. You can use our computer workstations to access academic resources online. The bookshelf in the back corner holds research guides and honors handbooks. If you need group study space, please use the round table here. You can schedule a meeting with your faculty advisor because office hours are posted on the door. Before you leave today, feel free to relax in our lounge area, which is open to all registered honors students.
Now, let's move on to Task 2. Take an interview.
You agreed to a campus survey on student cooking habits. You will share how often you cook for yourself, what kinds of meals you make, and your relationship with home cooking. Thank you for joining. Can you tell me about your typical cooking habits as a student? How often do you cook for yourself, and what kinds of meals do you usually prepare? I see. What challenges do you face when trying to cook for yourself as a busy student, and how do you usually overcome them? Interesting. Many students believe that home cooking is too time-consuming and expensive compared to eating out. Do you agree or disagree with this statement, and why? Good points. If you could change one thing about your current cooking habits or facilities on campus, what would it be, and what advice would you give new students?
That's your daily Speakeasy TOEFL speaking practice for today. Subscribe and see you tomorrow.